up? Welcome to another Urban Master experiment. So today's project is a part 2 of fixing this tandem. We actually got the bike ready and we took it for a test drive. We realized that the brakes were not really working. It was not adjusted properly for us. And also the kickstand didn't really work. So today we're gonna try to fix all that. And we're gonna start with the brakes.
If you have some paint on your bicycle, nail polish can clean your bicycle. Let's check it out.
Nail polish and nail polish remover.
Nail polish remover.
This level broke off when I was washing the bike last time, and I'm going to replace it with this. I just had it in my stash. And for that I gotta remove this handle. It should be interesting. Alright, this thing is impossible to take off, so I'm gonna have to use some WD-40. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Look. Now we can clean it easier. Oh no. Alright, so this is a new one. Nice. Now just adjusting the cable. Alright, looks pretty good. Now we're just gonna apply some lubricant so the brakes open up properly. And now my beautiful assistant will help me test the brakes. Let's do this. Go! Nice. Yeah, the brakes work fine. It's just the pads. I'm thinking of spraying some silicone on them and see if that makes the rubber softer and if that helps at all. Yeah, they barely grab. I still can't lock it. Yeah, the pads are kind of crappy, so what do you think? You want to try riding like this? Now I have 2 brakes. I guess we will. But before that, we'll adjust the seat height. I don't know, maybe a little higher. Cut. Roll. Your turn. Your turn. I got you. You're a little higher, right? Mm-hmm. No, I think it's
No, I
okay.
think it's good.
Good. Okay. I had to cut the zip tie, so I'm gonna install a new one. And the last thing, I want to see what's up with the kickstand. I'm not sure how well it works, let's see. Yeah, that's not good. You know what? It's kind of messed up, so let's see if it just can balance it like this. Do we really need a kickstand?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh yeah, it kind of works, look.
See?
Yeah, nice. Fixed. Alright, so we're gonna go for a test ride again. See how well that works now. And tomorrow is a bike party. We're gonna decorate this bike. What's the theme for the bike party?
Back to school.
Back to school, nice. And we're gonna decorate this bike for back to school? No? Well, maybe. Alright, so if there's anything, we have some updates. Alright guys, another successful project. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends, like and subscribe. Take it easy guys.